And I'm going to show you the SCR950. This is a Scrambler. Well, actually, it is a Scrambler. Yeah, check it out. It looks nice. I like it. Once again, Yamaha doing good. Lovely tank. Another customizer's dream. It's a twin, air-cooled. Once again. Same exhaust as the SCR900. Big, bold. I like the wheels, obviously for off-road. School frame type. That is again customizer's dream. That one is really. Just get rid of the whole back mud guard and put a tiny little one there. Stop it here and done. Put some O-lins on here, or spray these black. Give a view from the back. Again, running on a belt drive. What's with the belt drive thing? The Yamaha really did, but the SCR950. Very cool. There you go.